Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best WSM 18.5 accessories is probably one of the most versatile and essential additions you can make to your setup, offering a significant upgrade in both functionality and user experience, allowing for a wider range of applications and enhanced performance that can truly transform how you interact with your equipment, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to maximize their productivity and creativity. Number 5. Cutluxe Artisan Series 12 Brisket Knife. Experience unparalleled performance with this expertly engineered slicing knife. Its razor-sharp edge makes carving and slicing brisket, turkey, roasts, and other meats effortless. Achieve precision slicing every time thanks to the hand-sharpened edge, honed to perfection. This blade offers maximum sharpness and superior edge retention, making it an essential barbecue accessory. Enjoy a comfortable and stable grip with the luxury Packawood handle, triple riveted for absolute control. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and maneuverability, even in busy kitchens. Forged from high-carbon German steel, this knife is built for lasting performance. It boasts a hardness of 56+ Rockwell, ensuring resistance to rust and stains. We stand by the quality of our blades with a lifetime warranty against defects. Purchase with confidence, knowing it includes a protective sheath for easy storage. What we like. Experience unparalleled precision with its razor-sharp German steel blade. The ergonomic full-tang handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip for extended use. If you're looking for the ultimate tool to effortlessly carve your smoked meats like brisket and roasts, this is the one for you. What people say. The WSM 18.5 accessories are designed for durability and long-lasting performance. Features a user-friendly interface for easy operation and setup. The accessories offer enhanced functionality, improving the overall efficiency of the WSM 18.5 system. Number 4. FireDial Baffle Plate Heat Management System. Tired of dealing with messy water pans? Our system eliminates them entirely. Simply scrape or flip, and the drippings will burn off, adding amazing flavor. Experience significantly improved smoke and flavor from your grill. You'll enjoy longer burn times, quicker startups, better efficiency, and consistently stable temperatures. These diffuser plates effectively convert the direct heat from your charcoal basket into indirect heat. This ensures a more controlled cooking environment. It disperses heat evenly, reducing hot spots and preventing burn marks. Your food will cook much more uniformly. This system cuts down on fuel consumption and reduces flare-ups caused by an open lid. Plus, it acts as a flavorizer, as fat drippings are no longer lost in a water bowl. What we like. Say goodbye to messy water pans and hello to enhanced flavor. This system provides more consistent heat and better smoke penetration, leading to juicier, more flavorful results. If you're tired of managing water pans and want to achieve superior smoke flavor with less hassle, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The WSM 18.5 accessories are designed for durability and ease of use. Features include a quick-release mechanism for fast adjustments and a robust construction that ensures longevity. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making it suitable for extended use. Number 3. LavaLock Rib Hanger for WSM Weber Smokey Mountain. Crafted from heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, this hanger is built to last. It's designed specifically for your Weber Smokey Mountain 18.5. This hanger is the correct size for your WSM 18.5, measuring 17.5 inches in diameter. It ensures a snug and secure fit for optimal cooking. It comes with free rib hooks, allowing you to hang up to 12 ribs or more. This design enables self-basting for incredibly moist and flavorful results. Beyond your smoker, this 17.5-inch rack also fits drum smokers or any grill with a 17.5-inch diameter grate. Enjoy its versatility across different cooking setups. Proudly manufactured in the United States, this stainless steel hanger represents quality craftsmanship. You'll also receive expert customer service to assist you. What we like. Crafted from robust 304 stainless steel, this hanger is built to last. It comes with convenient rib hooks, allowing you to hang multiple racks for even cooking and self-basting. If you want to maximize your cooking space and achieve perfectly cooked ribs with a professional touch, consider this American-made solution. What people say. The WSM 18.5 accessories are a perfect fit for the WSM 18.5 model, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance. The design of the WSM 18.5 accessories is robust and durable, built to withstand rigorous use and last for a long time. Installation of the WSM 18.5 accessories is straightforward and user-friendly, requiring no special tools or expertise. Number 2. Uniflasy 3-pack grates for Weber 18 Smokey Mountain Cooker. Ensure a perfect fit for your Weber 18-inch Smokey Mountain Cooker. This set is compatible with specific upper, lower, and charcoal grate models. The upper cooking grate measures 17.5 inches, the lower cooking grate is 17 inches, and the charcoal grate is 15.14 inches. These precise dimensions ensure optimal performance. Crafted from high-quality plated steel, these grates are built for long-lasting use. They are also non-stick and incredibly easy to clean. This package includes one upper cooking grate, one lower cooking grate, and one charcoal grate. Please compare the size and model with your original parts before purchasing. The charcoal grate effectively holds your charcoal and helps extend the lifespan of your grill. It's designed for maximum efficiency. The cooking grates are outfitted with raised side handles, making them easy to remove. Enjoy a more convenient grilling experience. What we like. This comprehensive 3-piece set ensures a perfect fit for your WSM 18.5, replacing all your essential grates. Made from durable plated steel, these grates are designed for longevity and easy cleaning. If you need to refresh your grill's cooking and charcoal surfaces for optimal performance, this set is an excellent value. What people say. The WSM 18.5 accessories are a perfect fit for the WSM 18.5 model, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance. The durable construction of the WSM 18.5 accessories guarantees longevity, making them a reliable choice for demanding applications. Featuring an innovative design, the WSM 18.5 accessories enhance the functionality of the WSM 18.5, providing users with greater versatility and control. Number 1. Weber Smokey Mountain Grill Stainless Lid Hinge Kit. Introducing a premium stainless steel lid hinge kit designed for your Weber Smokey Mountain Grill. Enjoy superior construction and convenience with this essential upgrade. Featuring a quick-release pin, you can easily remove the lid when needed. This innovative design ensures you never have to set the lid down again. Crafted from top-quality stainless steel, this hinge is built to last. Its superior construction guarantees reliability for countless grilling sessions. This high-quality hinge is specifically designed to be compatible with both the 18.5 and 22.5-inch models of your grill. The kit comes complete with the hinge, all necessary hardware, and easy-to-follow instructions. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Elevate your competitive edge with this practical accessory. It's the perfect solution for serious grillers who demand efficiency and quality. What we like. Upgrade your grill with this superior quality stainless steel hinge. Its unique quick-release pin allows for easy lid removal, making cleaning and access a breeze. If you value convenience, durability, and a cleaner grilling experience, especially for competition or frequent use, this hinge kit is a smart choice. What people say. The WSM 18.5 accessories are designed for durability and long-lasting performance. These accessories offer enhanced functionality, making them a versatile addition to your equipment. The product features a user-friendly design for easy installation and operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.